Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
The grass ain't green on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
Okay guys, in today's video we are doing the most old school video, the most throwback type video here on YouTube, and that is a what's in my purse video. So I haven't done one of these, I feel like, in a while, in probably years. Like most people that do YouTube videos, I mean, I don't know, I just haven't done one of these in forever, but I thought I would do an updated one and show you guys what I have in here. This is my purse of the moment, and I'm so excited to share all of that with you guys today. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's get right into what's in my bag. Okay, so let's get into what's in my bag. I've actually done a couple unboxings on this bag. I did one as a short, and I've done one for Patreon. So if you like these types of videos, you like purse reviews and all of that good stuff, definitely follow me on Patreon. My link is down in the description box below, and I am planning to actually put a members only version of the unboxing here on YouTube. So if you guys want to subscribe to my members section on YouTube, just hit the join button below. Is super cheap, and you know, I'm actually really inclined to continue posting on there. It's been a while, but I want to get back into it, and you know, what better way to do that than to do an unboxing on a beautiful bag. So this one right here is the Alma BB, and it's from the Murakami collection, the 20-year anniversary collection. So it is new from 2025. I'm so glad that they brought this back. I'm so happy about it. I was actually planning to buy the Speedy, the like vintage original Murakami from back in the day, Speedy, from eBay from Japan. That's what I was planning to do because I love this print so much. I think it's beautiful. I do own a couple black pieces as well in like smaller SLG versions, like a key holder and all of that, but yeah, I absolutely love this, and I'm very, very tempted to grab the makeup bag from this collection as well. Just everything about it, it's very vintagey, early 2000s, but I still love this print. I love the multicolor prints. I'm really, really sad that they discontinued it and now it's just like limited edition, but it is so cool with the stud detailing at the bottom too, and overall the bag is really cute. It has these 2 zippers right here at the top. It does come with more accessories that I never put on the bag. I'm not really a bag charm person. I know what you're gonna say, Labubu's and stuff like that. No, I'm not into that. I've never been into that sort of thing, but this one comes with a really cute little bag charm right here. Definitely vintage vibes for sure, but it does go here at the front. It's just, I think that looks cute, but it's just not something that I really want to put on there at the moment. It also comes with a key and a lock and a full strap. This is more, for me, the Alma BB is more of like a handle bag. I think this looks really cute on as like a either kind of like crook of the arm or just like a handlebag versus, you know, like a long strap on it and carrying it like a purse. I don't know. I personally prefer it this way, but that's that. That is my bag. This is from Babala Bags, by the way. If you guys are interested in checking them out, I do have a discount code with them. I will leave it somewhere on the screen. Thank you so much, Babala Bags. I am very, very excited about this bag. I'm very, very excited. And you know, you guys, this is literally sold out everywhere. So it's sold out at my local store. It's sold out online, it's sold out everywhere. So if you are looking for this, Babala Bags has it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open her up, and the inside just looks like this. Sorry, it's gonna make noise because of the zippers. But that is the inside of the bag. Very, very cute. It does have a pocket that I have unused, but it's there on the back, and then there is a logo and stuff there at the back with the Murakami edition. Yeah, very excited for this bag. Anyways, I'm gonna go over what's in here. I haven't really cleaned it out or anything like that. The first thing I have is a Bath & Body Works lotion. It is the Aromatherapy Eucalyptus and Spearmint lotion. Very nice. I love the size too. It's absolutely perfect. Fits in all of my small purses, even my Lululemon belt bag. I have pepper spray, and it is a bling blinged pepper spray. Looks like this. Very, very cute. It's supposed to go on a key ring actually, but I just have it out like this in my bag. You know, when you live in downtown, you never know. So carry something with you, ladies. Okay, next up is a chapstick. This is my Speculoos Cookie Butter by EOS chapstick. Love this a lot. This is from their winter line last year, and I'm still currently using it, but I think it's almost gone. Love it. It's a really, really good chapstick. Next up are my keys. So I don't carry like a whole lot in this bag. I just carry my essentials. It's kind of like what I would normally carry in my Lululemon belt bag, which is basically my everyday bag. But yeah, these are my keys. They are very cute. I have this little thing from AliExpress just to protect them, because I think that keys are kind of ugly and boring, like key fobs anyways. So I got this pink one. They had different colors, but I decided on the pink, and I kept the key chain that it came with. This is what I drive right here. This is a Toyota 4Runner, and it's the same color too. Very cute. And that part actually comes out, your key is actually in here if you need the actual physical key to open anything. And then the top part also came from AliExpress as well. I did a full like haul video on this and everything. I showed it off in the haul video. It does have a jewel, just very, very cute, really bougie looking, and there is space for more keys and stuff. But I actually carry my keys in this. So this is my little key clay, and this is in the pink ballerine. Everyone I see that does these types of videos and shows this as their bag has one of these for sure. It's actually kind of funny, but this I've had for years and it's held up really well. Really, really like it. And I've been debating on whether or not I should get one to match this, but I feel like that's a little bit overkill, okay, at that point. But this has lasted me for years again, and I love it. That's all my keys, and on the back is my like apartment scanner thing for the elevator. So it actually holds quite a bit, and I was worried that the elevator scanner card thing wasn't gonna fit in here, and I would have to like take them out of my wallet separately every time I had to open the door or anything like that. But luckily it all fits here, and it's all very compact, and yeah, love that. Next up I have gum. This is my favorite gum of choice. This is just the XL white gum, and it's in the flavor Bubble Mint. So good. I have a stack of lottery tickets that I haven't checked in here. This is from one of my previous trips to Kananaskis. We stopped at the gas station and I decided to buy lottery tickets. Next up is my wallet. I've had the same wallet for a while. Like even this part is kind of getting tinged up. I've had this for so long. I still bring a wallet with me when I'm hiking, okay? I know you're probably like, why? But I don't want to leave this in my car or anything like that. So I always bring it with me. It goes in my backpack and that sort of thing. So that's why it kind of looks super old. But I've had this as my regular wallet for the past 2 years, I want to say. So it looks like that. On the inside, it holds all my cards and all that stuff. It is actually pretty spacious, so I love that. I considered switching to a card holder pretty recently, but I haven't done that yet. I've just been lazy. Okay, next up I have a hand sanitizer, which I can actually put this in the back pocket. This is the Emily in Paris Champagne in Paris hand sanitizer. This smells absolutely amazing, and I love those. I love them a lot, and you know, it beats the Touchland prices. The Touchland hand sanitizers are like 20 bucks at Sephora. These are so much cheaper, and they do their job, okay? Next up, I have my favorite lip combo that has been my favorite lip combo for months now, literally since the Sephora VIB sale. So I have this YSL Love Shine Candy Glow Balm, and I think this is in the color Nude Crush, and I saw this on an Instagram post. I saw someone do like a lip combo with this and the Jisoo lip balm in Watermelon Sugar, and I just knew I had to have it, and it smells really good. It smells really good. And the color is kind of crazy in the packaging. It doesn't, I mean, it looks really dark, but when you put this on your lips, it is a balm. So it actually is really nice. It's my everyday lip balm, and I'm actually really sad if I was to finish this up before the next sale, but love it, worth every penny. It's amazing. And then on top of that, I wear the number 44 YSL Love Shine Plumping Lip Oil, and this is definitely plumping. Like, if you are looking for a plumping lip oil, this is it. And it is actually pretty pigmented for a lip oil. So very much love this. It's very moisturizing on the lips, and it is a fave. So that is all I carry in this bag and in most of my bags, my daily life. These are like my literal bare minimum daily essentials to get me through the day. So that is that. Everything fits in here absolutely perfectly. Even for like a smaller bag, it does fit a lot. So now this does actually also fit my phone, but my phone is somewhere else. I think it's like across the room from me right now, but it all fits in here. So I love that. It's very, you know, efficient. It's not like a tiny baby bag that barely fits anything. So this is great for everyday use, and it is super cute. Goes with like everything. I think it goes with everything. You might disagree with me on that one, but I believe it goes with everything. So that is that. That's pretty much it for this video. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye.
I let you in deeper than